Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the big debate. WordPress versus ClickFunnels. Which one is better in 2025? Whether you're a blogger, an online marketer, or just starting your digital journey, this comparison will help you make an informed choice. Let's jump right in. First up, WordPress. It's a free, open-source platform that's been a go-to for website building since 2003. In 2025, with advancements like AI-powered plugins for content creation and enhanced security features, WordPress remains incredibly versatile. You can customize it for blogs, e-commerce sites, or even complex portfolios. The pros? It's highly flexible, has a massive library of themes and plugins, and is cost-effective since you only pay for hosting and premium add-ons. But it does require some technical skills to set up and maintain, which might overwhelm beginners. Now, let's talk about ClickFunnels. This all-in-one platform is designed specifically for creating sales funnels, making it a favorite for e-commerce and marketing pros. By 2025, expect even more AI integrations for automated email sequences and personalized user experiences. It's super user-friendly with drag-and-drop builders, so you can launch campaigns quickly without coding. The downsides? It's a subscription-based service, which can get pricey, and it's not as flexible for non-funnel websites like general blogs or forums. So, how do they stack up? Let's compare key factors. Ease of use. ClickFunnels edges out for beginners due to its intuitive interface, while WordPress offers more control for tech-savvy users. Cost. WordPress is cheaper long-term if you're willing to handle maintenance, but ClickFunnels provides value through built-in tools that save time. Features. WordPress excels in customization and scalability, whereas ClickFunnels shines in conversion optimization with its marketing-focused tools. In 2025, both are evolving with AI, but WordPress might lead in content versatility, and ClickFunnels in automated sales processes. Ultimately, which is better? It depends on your goals. If you're building a dynamic, customizable site, go with WordPress. For streamlined sales funnels and quick launches, ClickFunnels is the winner. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below. Which one are you choosing? See you next time.